going back to the original question, which was, someone who might be too old to learn guitar.
Mhm.
That same person, okay, they've jumped in, they're learning guitar now. How do they get a better stretch with their fingers? Because I hear a lot of complaints, oh, my hands are too small, or I can't, they hurt too much. How do they get a better stretch so they can reach some of these notes that you want them to hit?
That's a great question. So, and it's a very common problem. So, how do you actually stretch your fingers further? Well, number one, the number one thing to realize is that no human being on earth has the ability to naturally stretch their fingers far apart. Like you see those guys who are really good at guitar. That's not natural. They developed that. And anybody can develop that by following particular steps. That's why we made the course Ultimate Dexterity to guide you through that 10-step process to get your fingers in shape for playing whatever you want on guitar. So one of the most common problems that people have when it comes to stretching is that number one, you see it, especially like a lot of guys that like playing blues or classic rock or something around that genre. Seeing where my thumb is right now? My
Mhm.
thumb is above the fretboard. I want you to try something, Brock. Put your hand up where we can see it, and I want you to put your thumb up like this. Yep, yep. Now spread apart your pinky and your index finger as far as you can. Your hands are bigger than mine, but you can't go that far, right?
Right. Yeah.
It's like you feel this tension here and here, and you just really
Yeah.
can't go that far. So now I want you to do this. Put your thumb kind of like this, almost like you're holding a globe. Like I'm trying to find something round. Imagine I'm holding a
Yep.
globe in my hand, just like this. Yep, just like that. So my thumb, I'll see if you can, yeah, see it right here. My thumb now is like I'm holding a globe. And if I'm gonna put my hand on the guitar neck, look, here you go. See where my thumb is? So
Yep. See it now.
I'm gonna put my thumb right there on the back of the neck, like I'm holding a globe. And then guess what? Now look how far you can stretch your fingers. You try it. Put your thumb
Yeah.
down a little more. Yeah, like that.
Yep.
You can stretch your fingers a lot further apart. But watch these two fingers right here. If I put my thumb up, my fingers naturally cramp. They naturally go in towards each other. So when
Oh
people
yeah.
are trying to make those big stretches, they do this with their thumb and they have their wrist up like this and they can't stretch. I can't do it either because nobody can. That's how human was made. That's how human hands were made. But if I do this, if I tilt my guitar neck up, I lean back a little bit and I act like I'm holding that globe in my hand with my thumb on the back of the guitar like this. Now, guess what? I can stretch real far. And you develop your ability through doing the dexterity exercises to stretch further, 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 further. Some people can stretch really far, but that's how you do
Hey,
that.
thanks so much for watching this video. We would love it if you hit the like button, leave a comment below, tell us what you thought about it, and subscribe to the channel. We're going to release really great content, some great backing tracks so you can practice your guitar skills on. And if you're interested in taking your guitar to the next level, we have a free course that we want to give to you. It's in the description of this video. It's going to help you discover how to freely express yourself on guitar without endless amounts of scales and theory. So check it out and let us know what you think. Thanks.